Today, we're brewing something truly special. A potion, if you will, that's not just a drink, but a fountain of youth in a cup. We're talking about the best anti-aging drink to start your day and how to make it. Before we spill the secrets of eternal youth, well, almost eternal, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Your engagement is what keeps our community thriving, so thank you for every click and comment. Aging gracefully is an art, and like any art, it requires the right tools, or in this case, the right ingredients. Imagine starting each day not just with any ordinary drink, but with a concoction so powerful, it not only refreshes you, but also turns back the clock, one sip at a time. Intrigued? Let's dive into what this anti-aging elixir entails and how you can make it part of your morning ritual. The star of our show today is none other than green tea, renowned for its antioxidant properties, which play a pivotal role in combating signs of aging. But we won't stop there. We'll amplify its benefits with the addition of lemon, honey, and a secret ingredient that will take this drink to the next level: collagen peptides. Together, these ingredients create a symphony of health benefits that not only target aging from the inside out, but also kickstart your day with vitality. Green tea. Packed with catechins, green tea fights free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. It's like a shield for your body, keeping the adverse effects of aging at bay. Lemon. This citrus wonder is rich in vitamin C, crucial for the synthesis of collagen, which keeps your skin supple and your joints happy. Adding lemon to your drink not only gives it a zesty kick, but also enhances iron absorption from the green tea. Honey. Nature's sweetener, honey is full of antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. A little goes a long way in adding sweetness while imbuing your body with health-boosting benefits. Collagen peptides. The secret weapon in our anti-aging arsenal. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining skin elasticity, joint health, and overall vitality. As we age, our body's collagen production declines, but incorporating collagen peptides into your diet can help replenish and maintain healthy levels. See the description box below for where to find all these amazing anti-aging ingredients. Now, how do you bring these age-defying ingredients together? Here's a simple recipe to start your day on a rejuvenating note. Brew a cup of green tea according to your preference. Whether you like it strong or mild, let the tea be your canvas. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, adding a burst of freshness and vitamin C. Stir in a teaspoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness and its antioxidant power. Mix in a scoop of collagen peptides, ensuring it dissolves completely in the warm tea. And there you have it, a drink that not only wakes you up, but also revitalizes your body, keeping the signs of aging at a distance. But the journey doesn't end with just a drink. Embrace a lifestyle that complements the benefits of your morning elixir. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, protect your skin from the sun, and don't forget to move your body. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle amplifies the effects of your anti-aging efforts. Now, I turn it over to you, my fellow health seekers. Have you tried an anti-aging drink that worked wonders for you? Do you have any ingredients or recipes to share? Drop your thoughts, experiences, and recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire and uplift each other with our collective wisdom on this journey to ageless living. If this video sparked a light within you, spread that light by sharing it with friends, family, and anyone on a quest for health and vitality. Together, we can build a community where age is just a number and vitality is a way of life. Thank you for joining me today in crafting the elixir of youth. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to nourish your body, mind, and soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more empowering health insights. Until next time, keep sipping on that anti-aging magic, embrace each day with a radiant spirit, and make every moment count.